In a boardroom gleaming with polished wood and ambition, all eyes were on the deal of a lifetime. Suits were sharp, and confidence was sky-high. Then the heavy doors creaked open, and a frail old man shuffled in, his clothes worn and faded. Whispers turned to quiet laughter. "Security must be sleeping," one executive sneered. Another rolled his eyes. "He's probably looking for the restroom." They ignored him, dismissing him as a nobody who had wandered into the wrong place. The old man simply stood by the wall, his eyes scanning every face in the room. He watched them boast and preen. Finally, when the main presentation concluded, a tense silence fell. The old man cleared his throat, and every head turned, annoyed. He said quietly, "Thank you all for coming today. Now that I've seen how you treat people, I've made my decision about who gets to keep their job." The room went dead silent. The man they mocked owned everything.